2017 has been a record year for our company. 2017 represented the first full year for us of the rollout of the UK-wide domestic smart meter exchange programme. The smart meter exchange programme is a key part of the UK government's future energy strategy by helping consumers better manage their energy usage. 2017 has seen us continue to work in partnership with a significant number of energy suppliers to support them achieve traction and progress in helping their customers, the end users of gas and electricity, switch to smart meters. This partnership with our customers, the UK's energy suppliers, requires us to invest significant amounts of capital to fund the installation of smart meters. And to give you an idea of the level of progress we've made this year, we invested over £120 million in providing end consumers with smart meters. Whilst that's a substantial amount of capital to deploy, what makes it all the more pleasing from a company perspective is that last year, 2016, was also a record year for SMS in meter investment, and we invested £42.5 million. Therefore, this year we've effectively trebled the amount of investment year on year. That growth is achieved by detailed planning, teamwork throughout our business, developing deep-rooted partnerships with our customers and throughout our supply chain. And core to that effort is our team of over 825 dedicated staff that have been instrumental to the growth. So on behalf of the board, I would like to thank our customers, our suppliers, and our team of highly skilled and dedicated staff that have made the 2017 results possible. That work has also provided a fantastic platform on which to continue to grow the business. 2017 was a record year on a number of fronts for us. We saw record growth in a number of areas. For example, we now employ a record number of employees. We've got a record fleet of vehicles on the road and record access to further funding. Of particular note is the continued support of our shareholders and lenders. And in Q4 2017, we completed a £430 million refinancing, and that comprised £150 million of new equity and the extension of our £280 million revolving credit facility. The continued strengthening of our balance sheet provided significant access to capital to help our customers deploy smart meters. Two of the key statistics in our business are the number of meter and data assets we have under management, our portfolio, and the annualised recurring revenue that that portfolio of assets generates. At the year end, we'd grown our portfolio by 62% to 2.03 million meter and data assets, and those generated an annualised recurring revenue of £57 million. We ended the year with a run rate of 45,000 smart meters being installed per month, again up threefold on our run rate at this point in the previous year. Our revenue for the year was up 18% to £79.6 million, and as the majority of our revenue streams are recurring, we'll continue to benefit from the already deployed meter portfolio as we continually add to it, and that will drive additional revenue for the following years to come. Our EBITDA on a pre-exceptional basis grew 22% to £40.3 million, again driven by the growth in our meter and data rental business. 2017 was also a year of increased investment in our infrastructure, and we opened a new headquarters for our asset installation division and significantly increased our warehouse and logistics capacity. Those examples of investment saw our underlying profit before tax grow 7% to £22.2 million, also reflecting additional depreciation and borrowing costs arising from the record levels of capital deployment. So turning to our cash flows, our cash inflow from operating activities was £41.2 million, and that was also utilised as part of our capital investment in metering and data assets. Our balance sheet was further strengthened by £161.2 million, and we ended the year with £150.6 million of cash and a net debt of £36.5 million, representing a 0.9 times net debt to EBITDA ratio. So our closing balance sheet and access to further funding clearly outlines our capacity to work with our energy supply customers as the domestic smart meter rollout programme continues. So in summary, the results for 2017 are really pleasing and provide a fantastic platform in which to continue to grow the business. We'll do this by further strengthening our partnerships with a number of the UK's energy suppliers and our collaboration with the government agencies tasked with a successful rollout of the Smart Meter Exchange programme. By way of update, at the end of February 2018, our portfolio of metering and data assets had grown further to 2.26 million, and our annualised recurring revenues from that portfolio had grown to £60.7 million. Also, our data collection and analysis services continue to provide significant benefit for our industrial and commercial customers, and we'll continue to look to grow that side of the business in 2018. We've invested further in analysts, support teams, new technology and software, and that will allow us to take on a significantly larger portfolio of data customers. So SMS as a company is very well placed to take advantage of the building momentum and a decentralising energy revolution in the UK, and we look forward to playing an integral part in the sustainable future of the UK energy supply chain.